Michael Landgraf, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us today. We're going to...
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family, and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another edition of the 3Rivers Market Report, brought to you by Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, Keller Williams, and we've got up arrows. Once again, beating down arrows. Still got a lot of activity. Still got strong buyer demand. Still is sitting in a seller's market. Market's moving every day. Love the fall season. Getting a little cooler. Got to get those hoodies and snuggies out. Got to stay warm. But the market is still hot. We saw active available homes for sale up 3% week over week, up 35% year over year. New listings came in up 9% week over week, up 23% year over year. Solds came in down just less than 1% week over week, up 11% year over year. Pendings came in down 11% week over week, down 15% year over year. Median sale price back up again, $265,000 median over the last 7 days compared to last year. This time up 5%, so showing appreciation again. Looks like the crash happened. It wasn't very big, and we're back up again. We're seeing last 12 months rolling, $250,000 median sale price, showing 4% appreciation over the last 12 months. So we're still rolling about that 4% appreciation this year. As far as home value still going up, we were looking like we were seeing some depreciation, maybe a slowdown, but now not so sure. It may have already happened and it's gone. So especially with interest rates now going down, we're going to see prices go up. That's the problem with everyone was waiting on interest rates to go down, but that typically theoretically causes home prices to go up. So there's always pluses and minuses. The market's always doing something. That's why I tell people it depends on your situation when you need to make a move. That's why we got to sit down, do a consultation, see what's right for you. We saw days on market stay about the same as last week, 26 average. Median went down to 10 from 13. We're seeing that is a little bit slower than last year. This time it was 17 average, 6 median. Seeing homes sold over the last 12 months, 4,511, up from last year where it was 4,329 this time, so showing about 4.2% up in homes sold. We're seeing the lowest home sold in the last 7 days was 100,000, so that was the cheapest home you could get over the last 7 days was 100,000, and the highest was $882,235. That is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.